Hi guys, it's me, Brett. Welcome to another vlog episode. For today, I'm going on a solo trip. I'm gonna be visiting Taipei, Taiwan. This is my first ever solo travel abroad. So come and join me. Let's explore Taipei. We departed from Manila at around 10:50 p.m. and we just arrived here at Taoyuan International Airport at around 1 a.m. Hello guys. So, nakuha ko na yung luggage ko. Try natin yung Taiwan Dalakilan. Baka swertihin tayo. Hindi tayo nanalo. Lumabas. Try again next time daw. Sayang. So ngayon next mag-withdraw. Hanap tayo ng Bank of Taiwan. Doon tayo mag-withdraw ng ating cash. Yan. Gamit itong GCash Visa card. Samahan niyo ako kasi hindi ko alam. Mamaya, nung makapag-withdraw. Try natin. Insert natin ang ating card. Press 1. English. Sa pangalawang try ko, kasi hindi nag-dispense ng cash kanina dun sa kabila. Kasi ito tinry ko. Nakapag-withdraw na naman. 5,000 NTD. 1 minute lang yung transaction. Nag-dispense na siya ng cash. Guys, good morning. Antok na ako. Ako nakakatulog. Sa airport pa rin kami. Waiting kami sa bus. Oh, lamig. Ang lamig. Grabe naman lamig dito, mga besh. Ay para akong frozen meat. Tinry ko nga itong famous milk tea and xiaolongbao ng Xingfutang. This one is worth 200 NTD. Masarap naman yung bubble milk tea, but for me, 7 out of 10. Also, this xiaolongbao ay napakasarap. Naubos ko yung 6 pieces at talagang nabusog ako. For me, 10 out of 10. Bumili nga rin ako ng Aichung rice noodle. Saktong-sakto malamig ang weather dito. Kaya tinry ko na rin to. For me, this one is 9 out of 10. After Simending, first time kong mag-MRT dito guys. So we went to Shilin Night Market to end our last stop for today para mag-food trip. Super dami mo nga rin pwedeng kainin dito at ang sasarap talaga ng mga pagkain. As in, food is lifer here. Dito na nga rin pala ako nag-dinner at grabe yung busog ko guys. Super dami kong nakain. Babalik-balikan ko to. Hi guys, good morning. Nandito ako ngayon sa Taipei Zoo. I-explore natin to ngayon kasi mahaba-haba to. Tapos after here, cable car tayo papuntang Maokong Gondola.
Cute, right?
After the cable car experience, next destination is Taipei 101.
Please look at the screens on both sides indicating void, height, speed, and time. 両サイドのモニターをご覧ください。このエレベーターの高さ、スピード、段、位置を表しています。양쪽 모니터를 켜시면 엘리베이터의 층수나 빅서터와 시간을 보실 수 있습니다. 고마입니다. 실수. 기차는 날가야 수배트리. Thank you. 인버달대 고자이마스. 도착하였습니다. 감사합니다.
오케이, 됐습니다. Medyo nakakahilo rin pala yung sa Taipei 101. Parang nauga yung ulo ko. So yun guys, kita niyo yung Taipei 101. So we're going to Takemura Izakaya para mag-picture and video. So, pauwi na tayo. Pahinga na tayo tapos night market tayo, guys. Yung Taipei 101, ang ganda, oh. Kain tayo. Hindi na nga ako umuwi kasi nagugutom na rin naman ako. Ngayon, we're going to Ningxia Night Market. So, idiretso na natin to para isang labasan lang. We're here at Ningxia Night Market. Samahan nyo ako, magko-food trip tayo. The food. I got some food. I ordered this scallion pancake. Sarap. Yung fairness sa scallion pancake, masarap pa. Yung mga 9 out of 10. Ang presyo nito is 90 NTD. I got this. Ooh, ang laki. Spicy thick crispy chicken leg. Worth 90 NTD din. Sarap siya, guys. No, grabe yung chicken nila. Ito 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Ang sarap. COA. Alam nyo guys, so far, super enjoy talaga ako sa trip na to. Kahit solo lang ako. Una, hawak ko yung oras ko. 'Di ba? Wala akong hinihintay. Hindi ako hihintayin. I'm on my own, so ako yung magmamanage ng time ko. Pangalawa, kahit saan ko gusto pumunta, wala akong iisipin na, gusto ba nito or whatsoever, gusto ba niya napuntahan to or hindi, ganyan. Siyempre, pagkasama ng mga friends mo, kailangan i-consider mo din yung kung ano yung gusto nilang gawin, ganyan. Since solo travel yung trip ko sa Taipei, hawak ko lahat, guys. Charay. Pangatlo, marami kang mamit na tao. Like yung mga hindi mo kakilala, kung Pinoy man yan o hindi man Pinoy yan, mga foreigner, hindi lang kapag kasama yung mga friends mo, kayo-kayo lang, di ba? Marami kang na-experience kapag solo travel ka. Guys, though first time to, so far so good. May experience here in Taiwan. Irreplaceable, guys. No man na, you must na mami. Charot. Dami kong first time experience. Saka feeling ko safe na safe ako dito. Tingnan mo, ang haba na ng chika ko. Ito pa rin kinakain ko. Sold. But wait, there's more. This is sweet potato balls. Siyempre, lahat naman tayo gusto natin ng balls. I mean, potato balls. Yeah. Yan siya, guys. Oh. Siguro 7 out of 10. Sige guys, ubusin ko lang to. Tapos balik na rin ako ng ako kasi ng oras na rin naman. Good morning guys. Time check is already 9:78. Hanap tayo ng coffee shop. Mag-stay tayo doon ng saglit. Guys, yung weather dito sa Taiwan now is super lamig. Check nga natin. 20 degrees eh. 20 degrees. Kaling pancake ni tatay. Kap naman. Nandito pala ako sa 7-Eleven. Naghahanap kasi ako ng coffee shop doon sa labas. Sarado pala yung pinuntahan ko, yung Honoka Cafe. I've decided na sa 7-Eleven na lang bumili ng coffee. I got, I don't know, matcha. Matcha pala. Ay, ang sarap. Guys. Matcha lover. Charot. So now we're going to visit the Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall. This is a national monument and one of the tourist attractions located in Taipei, Taiwan. Also here is the National Theater and Concert Hall, and in front of it is the Liberty Square. Sumakay tayo ng Ferris wheel here sa Miramar. Isa rin to sa mga tourist attraction nila dito sa Taipei, itong Miramar Ferris wheel. So, yun. So, I ordered pala bago ako sumakay dito ng Burger King. And then, I have fries here. Fries. Medyo mataas. Oh, bigla kang sumakses pero kinakabahan ka. Ano na? Kinakabahan ako. Ang taas-taas na. Wait lang, hindi muna ako gagalo. Sasandal lang ako. Ito pala dito, wala akong bayad dito kasi gamit ko yung unlimited 2-day pass na nabook ko via Klook. Less hassle. Tagal ko na rin hindi nakasakay ng Ferris wheel. Siguro yung last ko yung sa Star City or kaya Enchanted Kingdom. Yun pa yung last ko. Bata pa ako noon. Yes, guys. Na overcome natin ang fear of height natin. Anong tawag doon? Sige, search nyo na lang. Huwag lang pag-isip. We're here at Rauhi Street Night Market. So, samahan nyo ako. Mag-food trip tayo dito. And magpakabusog tayo dito. So, bumili ako ng food. Ito na yung dinner natin. I also got this lemon tea. Let's go. Try natin. Alright. So first, let's try this chicken. Yung long boneless chicken. Grabe, ang laki. This one worth 100 NTD. Sarap. It's good. Sarap. Ang dami din nila dito pagkain. Konti yung tao dito compare sa Shilin. Hindi siya. Or siguro umuulan. Lemon tea worth 60 NTD. Fairness hindi ako nag-rice dito. Hindi sila mahilig sa rice. Diba may mga rice food naman. Yung rice noodle na tikman ko na sa si Mending. Okay lang. Sarap naman siya. Sarap. Nawawala talaga pagod ko kapag kumakain ako. Kung nag-food trip ako, kanina, before ako pumalita, pagod na ako. Pero nung kumakain ako, while eating, gusto ko na ulit gumala. Ayaw ko pamuwi. It gives me energy. Energy. Charot. Pag sa pagkain talaga, magastos ako, pero dead ma. Day, mga ante, pagkain yun. So, ito yung last stop natin for today. After this, uwi na tayo, pahinga. Then, tomorrow is another day. Hi guys, good morning. We're here for another day to explore Taipei. Today, I just needed to have a quiet and chill time for myself, so I decided to walk on the street. We're now here at one of the oldest street markets here in Taipei. We're having a rainy day, so I've decided to buy myself a coffee. I saw this nice coffee shop, nice interior, and such a lovely place. Here, while I'm sitting down, I met my younger self. He was 20 minutes late, I was on time. He ordered hot chocolate, I ordered hot Americano. He wore white sando, black short, and slippers. I wore denim, coat, and black shoes. He told me about how he really wants to pursue his passion. I told him I'm trying my best to experience everything in my own pace. I showed him some of my pictures and memories of people that I've encountered and places that I have visited for the past 15 years. He was really happy. Before we said goodbye, he smiled at me. I hugged him tightly. As he walked away, I promised to myself that I'll keep becoming the person you always dreamed of. Guys, samahan nyo ako, bili tayo ng pasalubong. Ngayong araw kasi wala naman din akong gagawin. So, let's go shopping! Kasi tomorrow, magno-North Coast trip ako. Unahin natin yung pasalubong para after ng North Coast trip ko, last day ko dito, chill na lang ako. Diba? So, pwede pa ako bumili ng mga things for myself. Guys, lumagpas tayo. Dito ako dumaan. Dito ako galing. Dapat pala, doon tayo. Buti na lang nagtanong ako. Shopping tayo doon sa Carrefour Supermarket. There, guys. Tayo bibili. Let's go. So guys, here pala kailangan you have to bring your own shopping bag. Guys, right beside the Longshan Temple is the Guangzhou Street Night Market. So, diretso na natin, puntahan na natin to. Hi guys! Sa Hasimin din tayo ngayon. Another night, another food trip. Let's go! Nasa Yelyu Geopark tayo ngayon, guys! Hirap pala sumaksis. Kasi may oras lang dito. Ang hirap sumaksis, ha. Wow. Tama tayo. Siya agad? Ayoko na makit doon. Balik na tayo. Guys, balik na tayo. Baka hanapin tayo ni May. Si May yung tour guide natin. Wala rin. Pagod lang umakya. Katakot na umakyat eh. So, 12:55. We need to go back daw. Ang ganda dito sa Yelyu, guys. You should visit this place. It's really nice. And super lamig. Buti nga hindi umulan. Medyo umaraw pa nga eh. Yay!
Right now we are here. Okay, so we will go here. Okay, so you can look at a waterfall. Okay, so if you have a, okay, because this here is really big, here is rebuilding. Okay, construct the bridge, so not allow go to here. Okay, so we stop here is better. Okay.
So we're here sa bridge. Papuntang Shifen Waterfalls, but close yun, kaya yun tayo. Lastly guys, here are some of my food recommendations that you shouldn't miss when visiting Jufen. I tried this fishball noodle soup. For me, 10 out of 10 to guys. I also tried this hot taro bowl soup. For me, 7 out of 10. I also tried this peanut ice cream roll. For me, 9 out of 10. And last but not the least, this cheese milk stick. For me, 10 out of 10. And that concludes my solo travel in Taipei. Thank you for watching. See you on the next trip. Sheshe.